This is just a quick video for 2016 TC owners with push to start who have a dead key fob battery. First thing to do is pop the emergency key out by pushing this release button. If you look at the top edge, you'll see this slot. Flip the key fob over like this and insert the head of the key into the slot. Then give it a twist and pop the two halves apart. Pull the board out, but try not to touch the circuitry underneath. This uses a 3-volt lithium CR1632 coin battery. To get it out, pull this black tab back a little till the battery edge lifts up. Then do the same on the other side. And then pop the battery out. When installing a new one, make sure the positive side is facing up, and just push it into place. Line up the switches on the underside of the board with the buttons as so. Make sure the edges of the silicone aren't folded over. Then take the other half of the cover, line it up so the square goes over the chip and the circle over the battery, then press the two pieces back together evenly and it'll click together. Reinstall the emergency key, and you're done. I hope this helps you out. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.